Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy MercFX, and today I'm going to be talking about how to become profitable the fastest way possible. First things first, I used to think that I needed a better strategy. I always thought that it was like the holy grail strategy. Is there a better strategy than mine out there? More signals, more indicators, and at one point I was running 2 to 3 strategies and I wasn't making money on any of them. Here is what actually fixed it. Number one, the wrong order problem. Most traders, they learn this way. They've got a strategy, they get indicators, they use signals. The totally wrong way to do it. The real learning order here is pattern recognition, your framework slash structure slash strategy into real money reps. So when traders, when they jump into the charts, they think they need to master the strategy like from the very start. They need to know exactly what it is. They need to have the perfect indicators, and they like can end up relying on signals sometimes as well. When in reality, you jump into a strategy, start seeing that pattern recognition on your pairs, on whatever pairs you trade, and then you've got a structure around that, like a framework that you've got that you use daily basis just to have some consistency in your life. And then like repeating that into real money with real money on the line. The key point, pretty much, you can't shortcut this recognition. Like it's as simple as that. Um, you start hopping on the charts. It's the easiest way to learn. Being in there, having the experience, that's the easiest way to learn. The signals, indicators, and strategy, this is the totally wrong way to do it. And sadly, most traders do it this way. And then we've got patterns, frameworks, and reps. That's the only way to do it. It's not, it is simple, but it's not easy, but it's the only way to do it. Pattern recognition, you've got your own strategy and you continue using it. You've got a structure and a framework to be consistent, and you get reps. That's it. That's all there is to it. All right, then we've got real money builds real skill. So demo trading, there is like literally zero psychological pressure, which means there is zero real growth. Think about it. If you've got nothing on the line, like you kind of half-ass saying you don't really care. I was doing this. I was demo trading, and as soon as I started trading with live capital and I had like 100, 200 bucks in there, like even though I'm risking like 10 bucks or like a few bucks or whatever it was back in the day, you still kind of care because like you don't want to just pretty much lose it all. Like you do want to grow your account, but as soon as you start like thinking like you've got the actual money working for you, then you start giving a shit. Then you start being consistent. You check. You're not missing days where you're checking the charts. It's completely different to demo. Where I mean, if I started with a demo account and it was bad, like I would not be profitable and like put in like a pretend 50K and then use that to like trade with, like I wouldn't care. I'll just reset it and that's it. But then as soon as I started using real money, like a few $100, I actually started caring. I actually showed up on the charts every day. It was pretty crazy. So the moment you put real money on the line, doesn't matter how big it is. Um, like honestly, genuinely doesn't matter. Your brain engages differently. Like you approach trading very different. The prop firms and live personal accounts, they force real money behavior. So live trading, your brain is actually doing the work. Demo trading, like you're doing nothing. You're kind of just wasting your time. Then we've got over trading is the trap. So I was stuck in this trap. This was probably my worst like period of my trading life. Was over trading. So most traders, they get stuck in a loop. So they get the boredom, they overtrade, they blow the account, they reset, and they literally reap. Um, this boredom part can also be swapped out with like just wanting to make more money. So start out and you've got like 500 bucks, 1,000 bucks in the account. I did the exact same thing. I wanted to just make more money. So I would overtrade. I would slightly bend my rules to like for my trading plan, and like I lost a lot. I've said that on my Instagram a lot, and I've lost a lot. The fix is fewer trades that only fit your plan. So not necessarily fewer trades, but only trades that fit your plan. If you're trading um 10 to 15 trades a month, which is kind of similar to what I'm doing, and all of a sudden you've got a month where you've got 30 trades and they're a bit more on the low quality end, then like you obviously you're doing something wrong and you're over trading. So know how many trades you approximately have per month and try and stick with that, like within that. It's a very loose thing, but um, it helps a lot. Yeah, it goes from boredom to trading, reset, board, trade. Like it's the dumb cycle. It's not even a vicious cycle, it's a dumb cycle. Then we've got risk management, which like legitimately is the edge. So learning the strategy and like learning the psychological side of things, how to prep your mind for trading, that's all fine, but risk management keeps you in the game. If you've got really shitty risk management and you're risking like 5 to 10% per trade, or like risking different percentage amounts per trade, like it's that's crazy. Like you won't, you'll struggle a lot to be successful. No edge survives poor position sizing. So risk enough to the point where like you slightly do care about it, but don't risk too much to the point where like if you lose it, like you'll go ape shit. Like you do need that kind of like psychological pressure, but um, don't be risking something that you can't afford to. So strategy gets you in, risk management, it keeps you in the game for long. So important. We've got one strategy and repeated. You don't need more information, you need more repetition, you need more experience. Um, like if you try and trade a strategy for 3 months and then it doesn't really work and you just move on to the next one, you'll just be in an endless cycle and you'll never be profitable. You'll never make money. Confidence comes from reps, not research. So don't be that person watching YouTube all day, thinking that you can find the next holy grail strategy, because that doesn't exist. I'll tell you right now, it doesn't exist. Have one strategy, trade the reps for it, get the confidence, get the experience, and like you'll see your trading get better. One strategy mastered is a lot better than 5 strategies or frameworks that are half understood, or you kind of don't really care. So don't think about multiple strategies. Think about one strategy and think about mastering it. A routine equals consistency. So same time, same strategy, same process. Um, like you just have to stay consistent. And once you've got the routine, you've got the consistency, you'll build those skills, those trading skills over time. So same time, you're checking the charts at the same time in the morning or at night or whatever it might be. Like it's pretty much got to be at the exact same time. You've got the same strategy. You don't have like 5 to 10 different strategies, or even like honestly 3+. Like 2 would probably be the maximum. Like a one for more intraday and one swing. Like I think it could work at the very start. Just focus on one. But 3+ at that point, I don't know. I can't see people being successful with that. And then same process. So whether you're journaling, like so you got the same time, same strategy, but you're also journaling the same, recording your trades like in a similar fashion. So like the date, picture of the trade, like any other relevant information that you like, your emotions during the trade, stuff like that. Nice and simple. Doesn't have to be too complex, because there is a you can be too complex with it, which, like affect. Remove like emotion from decision making. So you got to be like a robot. You got to be emotionless, just day in, day out, same thing, consistency with no emotion at all. So yeah, same time, same strategy, exact same process. These 6 sections, I think, are the most important part of trading. If you're doing it wrong from the start, you'll struggle. You'll be learning the wrong things. Like you'll be learning too much information rather than having your own experience. So stick to these 6 things. Be consistent with it. Give it 6, 12, 18, 24 months, and you'll start seeing genuine profitability.